everyone, my name's Jada and today we are at our Royal Avenue project. We're here on our final day and what a transformation it has been. Today we're at our new project. We are doing a kitchen and a butler's and laundry. What we're going to do is we're going to have some integrated fridges here. We'll have our concrete bench top and then we'll have our range hood which will go all the way to the ceiling. On this side we will have a wine fridge, all bench top space. We'll have a stunning skylight as well above us too, to really allow all that natural light in. So in the combined butlers and laundry, we're going to install a aluminium cavity slider. And what we're going to have is plenty of bench space, a washing machine and dryer. We'll also have a really cool timber splashback window in a fluted glass. We wanted to work within the original footprint of the kitchen, so continuing with that galley style layout and keeping the window where it is originally placed. One of the challenges of this design was trying to keep the character of the home while also creating it to be timeless and modern. By doing this, we decided to stick with a neutral palette whilst also incorporating original features of the home. The bench top is one of the most important elements in a galley style kitchen. Here we've used a 60mm thick bench top and we've also incorporated a really cute little ledge at the back for spices and accessories. To highlight the high ceilings, we carried the range hood all the way up. We also added in a huge skylight which reflects all the natural light onto our Zlige tile. In this design, there's a few details that I really love, including the shark nose finger pulls in the joinery and our ZR switches. We decided to remove the original powder room to create a larger open space for the butler's pantry and laundry. We decided to remove the stained glass window and replace this with a large splashback window. I wanted to go for a fluted glass finish. This is due to the neighbours next door, which is an apartment building. We wanted to still allow natural light to flow throughout the space, however wanted to still keep that privacy. Although our butler's is beautiful, I wanted to give the option of separating the two spaces when things get messy. So I've incorporated a custom aluminium cavity sliding door. The original kitchen had a cheap laminate floorboard. We decided to remove this and incorporate this stunning charcoal herringbone tile. It creates a really beautiful focal point throughout the space. I love this kitchen and I think it looks stunning. It's a timeless design that can really adapt to anybody's style.